Hello, I greet you on my channel, Simple Machine Tools. My name is Victor. In this video I share with you my experience in building a belt grinder with a tape length of 96 centimeters and a width of 5 centimeters. Such a tape is easily to buy in the store or on the internet, and it has a small price, about $7. I also bought bolts, nuts and washers. The design as usual will be simple and you will easily repeat. I will need a drilling machine or a drill stand like mine. In the next video I will show you how to refine such a rack to drill exactly 90 degrees. To quickly make circles, I used a crown from the set of crowns shown in the previous video. Although the circles look good, they need to be further processed. I made an axis of the bolt to compress the stack of circles and insert the axis into the drill. After that I can process a stack of circles as on a Z in order to get the perfect cylinder. Of course, I have to glue circles together beforehand. You can see that the cylinder turned out with a hole not in the center. Because of this there is a fitting that is clearly visible. This cylinder is not suitable for my purpose. I will try to eliminate it later. Now I will make the packages more durable using screws. You just need to install the screws on both sides of a pack of washers. A large cylinder is designed to drive my future machine. As a drive, I decided to use the drive of a 7 machine, so I need to make a groove for the best. I do not require you to do this work as I do. You can do it your way. It's important that the detail look the same as mine. I'm just telling you how you can do this. So the drive check was successful. The drive easily copes with the load. In addition, the drive motor has a pedal, the speed controller. Now I will try to eliminate the imbalance of the slave cylinder. This work requires great accuracy. It seems I managed to fix the slave drive. More precisely, it will be seen later. That's all for today. In the next video I will continue the construction of a drilling machine. Bye!